Hi everybody, welcome to Control Z. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add a beautiful shiny look to your portraits using Photoshop. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, I was shooting this beautiful model a couple of weeks ago and I feel like the light is kind of flat. So I just want to add something, like a shiny look so it looks more interesting. The first thing I need to do is I'm going to duplicate the layer. I'm going to press Ctrl J and I'm going to duplicate the layer. And then I'm going to add curves adjustment layer. And I think I'm going to go a little crazy in this, something like that. Okay, and then I double click here, the layer. So I'm going to open the layer style. And I got these two controllers. This one is going to control the actual layer and this one is going to control the layer underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this slider and I'm going to go to the right. And when I'm doing that, I'm going to keep in mind that I'm going to focus in the areas that I'm going to add the shiny look, like the cheekbones, maybe the nose, the chin, the forehead. So I'm going to keep an eye on that areas when I moving the slider to the right. And then I think I'm going to stop right there. Now you press Alt. Look what happened with this slider. You see, it kind of cut it in two. So what it's going to do, I'm going to keep going to the right and it's going to make a really smooth transition about the dark areas and the white areas. So I'm going to keep going like that. And I think that's fine. Okay. Let me go here. And so I'm gonna need, I think I'm gonna need one layer for each area that I wanna do, so I got a better control. I'm gonna do one layer for the nose, I'm gonna do one layer for the cheekbones, and maybe another layer for the forehead and chin together. So I'm gonna duplicate this layer 2 times. So I'm gonna press Ctrl J 2 times. 1, 2. I'm gonna hide this one. Maybe I'm gonna name this one. I think I'm gonna do the cheekbones in this one. Okay. And maybe this one I'm going to use maybe just the nose, and this one I think this one is going to be the chin. Okay, now what I'm going to do with this mask, I'm going to invert the mask. I'm going to press Ctrl I, so I kind of invert the mask, and then I'm going to paint with white, and I'm going to use a soft brush. Okay, I'm going to focus in the area of the chin right here, something like that, and maybe here a little bit. And then I'm going to change opacity. I think it's something like that. I'm going to go something like that. And then I'm going to go to the next one, which is the nose. And you know what is next. I'm going to press Ctrl I, so I kind of invert the selection, Ctrl I, and then I'm going to paint with a white brush over here. This is going to be the nose. Then I'm going to paint right here. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to paint with black, and I'm going to do like a cone shape on the nose, something like that. Yeah, that's better. And then of course I'm going to change the opacity now. I'm going to go like something 30, 40. I think that's fine. 40, 47, that's fine. Then the last one, which is going to be the chin. And you know what's next? Ctrl I. And then I'm going to paint right here with white. Let me refine this a little bit. Something like that. Change opacity. And then I'm going to press Shift. And then this. Control G. I'm going to group it. And then you can see the difference is going to be the after and before. After and before. If you think it's really strong, don't worry. You can change the opacity together and make it something like that, like 50, 40%, something like that. Just remember, when you do these kind of changes, do subtle changes. Don't go crazy or it's going to look like really fake. So I think this is fine. Look, this is the after and before, after and before. And just to let you know, I'm using a XP Pen 22E Pro. I just love it. I start using a Wacom tablet, and if you are using Photoshop, I highly recommend using a tablet. Like I said, when I start using the Wacom tablet, it's just great. You know, you put the tablet, if you are a right hand or left hand, whatever, and just you start doing everything here, and you see the screen. But this tablet is just amazing. You know, it feels so right when you actually see the picture, and everything you are doing on the picture, you can see it, and you know, it's like right here, the picture is in front of you, and all the adjustment that you're doing is right there, and it just feel like great. And I'm gonna put the link below, and like I said, try it. I just love it, and check it out. I hope you like the video. See you on the next one, and thank you for watching.